welcome back to my channel where I fix bullshit that breaks around the house.
Yay.
I have a really simple one for you today. We're just going to change the battery in a key fob. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this is a 2022 Chevy Equinox. So this is all it is. You're just going to push this button, remove your key, grab a screwdriver, pry it apart. It is not that hard. This may happen. So here, let me show you what this is. We got this little plastic piece that goes inside the outer shell. It's just designed to hold the circuit board in. Okay, that's all that was. If that happens, do not be alarmed. Pop out the old battery. This is a CR2032. Put in the new battery. Simply push it back together. Reinsert the key. And you have yourself a brand new, very nice working key fob.